This is going to be a quick introductory video of how to use FlipGrid. On our website, WebQuest, it gives us flipgrid.com. So you'll click that and you'll enter the flip code. The flip code's found on this page. Right here's your flip code. Here's your password. Our flip code is E4PRN9Y. Password with a capital P is partition. Scroll down till you see a green plus sign. Click on that green plus sign. Then you're going to log in with Microsoft account. You'll use your student ID and your student ID password. And it'll bring up this recording screen. You'll press the red button to record. Describe whatever you need to describe. You can pause and you can re-record if you needed to. If you want, you can add a sticky note of what you want to say so you don't forget anything. And then you can trash it if you want and try again and re-record whatever you needed to record and say. Click next whenever you go to next.
To record and say. To record and say.
You can pause it. You can clip it down if you wanted to clip it down and change it. Click next whenever you're ready to go next. Take a picture of yourself. You can draw on this picture. You can add some stuff onto it, pictures like an apple, whatever you want to do to it. Accessories, give yourself a monocle if you wanted to. So we'll go with that right there. We'll submit it, and congratulations, you did it.